Hi everyone, this is Mushak from DoWork AI. I'm really excited to demonstrate you our fully redesigned platform that allows customer service teams to easily build and deploy AI agents into their infrastructure. Now, when you sign up on our platform, you can see that you can get started with our predefined templates. But for this demo, I'm going to use the blank to show how it's easy to build AI agent from ground. So the first thing you need to configure your agent is provide the prompts. So let's start from the welcome message. Center. How may I assist you? Then you you introduce your company and your agent. Let's say you are your customer support agent for DoWork AI. AI powered platform to build and deploy AI agents. In the instructions section, you provide more detailed instruction how you want your AI agent to behave, but let's start from a very simple one. And finally, in the FAQ section, you can provide a question, most frequently asked questions you want your AI agent to automatically answer. Let's do like, can I try DoWork AI for free? The answer will be yes. You can build and test DoWork AI for free. That's it. Now let's save our agent and let's test it.
Welcome to DoWork AI Support Center. How may I assist you?
Hello, I'm wondering, can I try DoWork AI for free?
Yes, you can build and test DoWork AI for free. Is there anything specific?
As you can see, I already built an AI agent from scratch. Obviously, in most cases, you'll have more questions than one. But if you want to use more complex and comprehensive knowledge base, you need to use our knowledge base plugin, which basically allows you to connect either your website, and our platform will automatically crawl and process all the information there, or manually upload any files you have. And then by enabling this plugin, you kind of enable our agent to use this data to answer the questions. Now, for chats, it's better to use full instructions, and for the voice, it's better to use step-by-step instructions. So the conversation will be more natural and the user experience will be better. Now, sometimes in customer service, it's not only about like providing answers to the questions, but let's say gathering some information and running some internal processes, right? So for that purpose, we built the data collection plugin. Well, actually plugins, because you can have multiple ones. Which what data collection plugin does is actually it collects information and posts this information to any HTTP endpoint you have internally or externally. So let's build a flow when an agent collects some information and books an appointment. So let's start customer information collection. So we are going to ask for the, let's say, name. It's going to be string, it's going to be required. And then when I collect this information, I have this API, which basically when you submit any information, it returns some available dates. So I'm going to use this API to post this information. What is important, I'm going to check this checkbox, so it will use the API response in the next step. And the next step is going to be, let's say, booking appointment. And here I'm going to ask appointment date. And obviously it's going to be daytime. And here I'm going to submit to the same API, it doesn't matter for demo purposes. Now, I also need to update my instructions, like first collect customer information and then book an appointment. That's it. Let's save. And yes, also let's add the welcome message to start. Let's like, what's your name? In this way, like kind of you force the AI agent to immediately start your kind of process. Let's change this with this one, save, and hit test call again.
Welcome to DoWork AI Support Center. What's your name?
My name is Mushak.
Thank you, Michelle. When would you like to book your appointment? Here are some available dates and times. 1. July 18, 2024 at 2:30 p.m. 2. July 19, 2024 at 9 a.m. 3. July 20, 2024 at 6:45 p.m.
Let's go with July 18.
Your appointment has been successfully booked for July 18, 2024 at 2.
As you can see, it was super easy to define kind of a process where the AI agent collects some information from the caller and makes an action based on it. Now, when you are done with building your AI agent, it's time to deploy it. So if you go to deployment section, you'll find three options to deploy. SIP, which is the way to integrate with any call center solution you have. The Twilio, if you want to have direct phone number, or HubSpot live chat if you want to have a chat support. So let's see how the SIP works. So basically you enable the SIP, you initialize the SIP configuration, you copy this password, and now you got a URL that you can put in your call center solution and forward all the calls that you want to the AI agent. And if you want in the same way AI agent to kind of forward call back to call center solution if it cannot answer the question, you go to escalation section and you enable SIP refer, you provide your call center SIP address, and now DoWork will automatically kind of call back if it cannot resolve the question. Finally, we are very careful about the security, and we pay a lot of attention on it. That's why we built these two features. So the first one actually is when you enable it, we'll automatically remove all the personal information from the conversation before storing it. And the next, if you check this, no data will be used to train any AI model. That's it. As you can see, with no coding skills, without writing any piece of code, you can easily build, test, and deploy AI agents for your customer service teams. We are working on very exciting updates, so please stay tuned and talk to me if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.